Hi everyone, in this video we want to find the value of m and n. Solution: and we are told that P, Q, R and S lie on a circle with center O. This is our center O. And also QR is parallel to OS and angle QOR is equal to 2m. Angle QPR is equal to n and angle SOR is equal to 54 degrees, and we are told to find m equal to unknown and n equal to unknown. In the question, line QR is parallel to line OX. That means that angle XOR and angle QRO, they are alternate angle and they are equal to each other. So we can say angle QRO is equal to angle XOR. So angle QRO equal to 54 degrees. So this angle is 54 degrees. Line OR and OQ, they are radii of the circle. So we can say they are equal to each other. Line OR is equal to line OQ. If line OR is equal to line OQ, we can say triangle QOR is an isosceles triangle, and base angle of isosceles triangle are equal to each other. So we can say angle OQR is equal to angle QRO. That means angle OQR is equal to 54 degrees. Let us consider triangle QOR. In triangle QOR, our interior angles OQR and QRO and QOR, their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So we can say angle QOR plus angle QRO plus angle OQR equal to 180 degrees. So let us substitute the value of this angle into this equation, and they are 54 degrees. So angle QOR plus 54 degrees plus 54 degrees equal to 180 degrees. 54 degrees plus 54 degrees will give us 108 degrees. So we can say angle QOR plus 108 degree equal to 180 degree. Let us transpose this to the right hand side, and the positive sign will change to negative. Angle QOR equal to 180 degree minus 108 degree. But don't forget that our angle QOR is 2m. So let us substitute 2m here also. 2m equal to 72 degree. To determine the value of our m, let us divide both sides by 2 over 2 over 2. M equal to 36 degree. So the value of our m is 36 degree. Now let us find angle at the center QOR. Angle QOR equal to 2m. Angle QOR equal to m is 36 degree. 2 multiplied by 36 degree, which will give us 72 degree. So our angle at the center is 72 degree. In our diagram, I want you to note that angle QOR, which is the center angle, and angle QPR, both are standing on arc QR. An angle at the center of a circle is twice angle at the circumference. So mathematically, we can say that angle QOR equal to 2 multiplied by angle QPR. So let us substitute the value of angle QOR and our angle QPR is denoted by n. So let us say 72 degree equal to 2 multiplied by n. To determine the value of n, let us divide both sides by 2 over 2 over 2, n equal to 36 degrees. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.